Hi, so we're here at the FAE Summit. I'm here with Phil Armitage from Diodes Inc, one of our broadline suppliers. You've been here with our engineers today. Do you want to explain a bit about what you were training them on this morning?
Yeah, so what we were talking about with the engineers this morning was our applications and products for brushed and brushless DC motor control. And today we brought a demonstration unit with us that shows how Diodes' broad product portfolio fits around these applications. So what we have here is a demonstration unit for a three-phase brushless DC motor drive. This is a 12-volt fan from a Lexus cabin fan. What we've got here is a demo board from Diodes, which has the gate driver transistors. So 3 gate drivers, 1 for each phase, driving 6 MOSFETs, so 3 half bridges, 6 NMOS MOSFETs. If I turn this on now, you'll be able to hear the motor spinning. And if I reduce the speed, you should be able to hear it slow down. So the motor has a Hall sensor inside it, and the Hall sensor gives positional information back to the microprocessor unit, which controls the spin speed and the direction. So what we've got here as a solution from Diodes is the gate drivers, some MOSFETs and Hall sensors. Also, as part of the microprocessor unit, we need some power, so Diodes can provide some power management ICs as well. So this is a simple 3-phase brushless motor driver control. This is for a car fan, but they can also be used for other industrial uses like vacuum cleaners, drones, e-bikes, mobility scooters, so up to about 48 volts. So for a simple industrial 3-phase brushless motor drive, we have all this Diodes content.
So thanks for the explanation, Phil. It's really clear to see that diodes don't just do diodes, so thanks for your time.